Ever wonder why some apps feel intuitive while others leave you frustrated? That's the power of good UI design, and it's more than just making things look pretty. Today, we'll break down the core principles of UI design, explaining what it's, why it matters, and how it impacts your everyday digital experiences. Understanding these basics can help you appreciate great design and even spot flaws in the apps you use. First, let's define UI. User interface design focuses on the visual elements and interactive components of a digital product: buttons, icons, typography, layout, everything you see and interact with. Think about the difference between a cluttered, confusing website and one with clear navigation and a logical flow. That difference is largely due to UI design choices. A well-designed UI prioritizes usability and accessibility, ensuring everyone can easily achieve their goals. Next, consider the importance of visual hierarchy. This is about guiding the user's eye to the most important elements first. Designers use size, color, contrast, and spacing to create a clear visual order. For example, a large, brightly colored button for a primary action will naturally draw attention, while smaller, muted text provides supporting information. It's a roadmap for your eyes. Surprisingly, good UI design often means less is more. Minimalism isn't just a trend, it's a powerful tool. Clutter overwhelms users and increases cognitive load. Did that study show users often only scan web pages, rarely reading every word? This highlights the need for concise, impactful design. We'll be diving deeper into the psychology behind user behavior in our next video, exploring how designers leverage cognitive biases to create even more engaging experiences. Finally, remember that UI design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about solving problems. A great UI anticipates user needs, provides clear feedback, and minimizes friction. It's the bridge between a user and a product, making technology accessible and enjoyable. So, to recap, UI design is about creating intuitive, visually appealing interfaces that prioritize usability and guide users effectively. It's a crucial element in any successful digital product, impacting everything from app engagement to brand perception. If you found this introduction to UI design helpful, give this video a and let's know what other design topics you'd us to cover in the comments. For more insights into the world of design,